Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Hey, I'm hanging out with my buddy John.
Hey, what's up?
If you don't know John, he's got Glamis Fantopia, a YouTube channel. He's got about, how many subscribers? You got quite a bit, right?
About 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah. So we're just hanging out right here at Glamis, watch number 10. It sucks because we got the coronavirus, so we're just hanging out with the corona.
Yeah.
So,
Cheers.
yeah, so we're about to go do some riding and just enjoy the nice weather, you know.
Yep, it's beautiful out here.
Yeah, it's nice out here. We don't want to be quarantined at home, so we figured we'd come out here and have a good time out here in Glamis. So,
Coming out.
all right, yeah. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later. See ya. TakeTones.com. So this is John's car, check it out. 2020 RZR Pro. 4-seater, beautiful car. Perfect. like it, John? So far, so good?
I like it. Pretty soon we can have a new cage, new doors, and hopefully perfect.
Nice.
There's a lot of leg rooms. And the car feel like it's like a Can-Am. It's really smooth. And then it comes stock with 181 horsepower.
Yeah.
It's a lot of power. Stop.
Nice. So this car has got LEDs in the front as well.
Oh yeah, what's up, guys? Turn on right now.
Wow, that thing looks mean. All right, guys. So make sure you subscribe to John Fantopia's YouTube channel. All right, guys. I'm out of here. Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Just doing a quick walkthrough. Just make sure everything's good to go because we're out of here. Sucks, but hey, that's what happens, right? So quick walkthrough and I'm out of here. All right, guys. Have a good one.